Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Finbuzz Learning. Today we will discuss about fintech companies and will know their work. Friends, a fintech company means banking without borders. The term fintech is made up of two words, finance and technology. It means any business that uses technology to enhance or automate financial services and processes. The term encompasses a rapidly growing industry that serves the interests of both consumers and businesses in multiple ways. From mobile banking and insurance to cryptocurrency and investment apps, fintech has a seemingly endless from mobile banking and insurance to cryptocurrency and investment apps. Fintech has a seemingly endless array of applications. Examples of fintech companies in India. There are several fintech companies in India. Some of them are Paytm, Razorpay, PhonePe, BillDex, Cred, Freecharge, Instant Mojo, Grow, Mobivic, Just Money. Out of them, currently Paytm is the biggest fintech company. History of fintech in India. The first fintech company in India is iCapital. History of fintech in India. The first fintech company in India is One Click Capital, founded by Harit Sindhu. History of fintech in India. The first fintech company in India is One Click Capital, founded by Harit Sindhu. Its payroll funding services is low cost, unsecured short-term loan designed specifically to run payrolls. If seen in the last few years, fintech industry have emerged very fast in India. Today, these companies have made deep inroads almost all over India, and people depend on these companies to a great extent for any payment. Today, in India, people use fintech companies for maximum payments. This industry has seen tremendous growth in India over the last 7 to 8 years since it caught pace after becoming very acquainted with the internet to 800 million people, the largest connected nation in the world. Significance of fintech companies in India. Looking at the current scenario of digital payments in India, it would not be wrong to say that the importance of fintech company is a very high. According to a report, India ranks first in terms of making the most cashless transactions in the world. 79% of Indians believe that this will have a positive impact on the economy. At the same time, since the COVID-19 epidemic, 47% cashless transactions have been recorded in the year 2021 after the second wave. Cost effective. If we look at the traditional transaction, it used to affect our financial condition and time as well. But the services of fintech companies are cost effective. This simply means that if you transfer money repeatedly, then every time you have to face the processing charges. In such a situation, through fintech services, you can avoid these unnecessary charges. High security. It is unfortunate but true that traditional financial services companies are far behind in terms of security. But now, with the advent of financial technologies in the market, there will be no problems like complaints and security. You can get rid of your problems with just one call. Satisfactory customer experience. Financial technology services maintain complete transparency with the customer in its approach and ensures that the customers are provided smooth service without any hassles. Based on the transactions of the customers, these companies develop their credit scores, which helps in improving the financial services. Development of Fintech Center in India. According to a report in 2022 by investindia.gov.in, India is among the fastest growing fintech markets in the world. At present, there are more than 2,000 fintech startups in India recognized by DPIIT. The report further says in 2021, India's fintech market size was $50 billion and is expected to reach up to $150 billion by 2025. Also, the fintech sector in India is expected to be worth $1 trillion in assets under management and $200 billion is revenue by the end of 2023. Yes, this number is really very big and we should be proud of it that our fintech sector is increasingly rapidly globally. How are government initiatives boosting the fintech markets in India? Jan Dhan Yojana started on August 15, 2014. It is the world's largest financial inclusion under which more than 400 million of bank accounts are opened and most of them at rural and semi-urban branches. As per the Ministry of Finance, the deposits in these accounts were rupees 1.50 crores by 2021. Apart from Jan Dhan Yojana, there are other initiatives like e-rupee, that is digital rupee, Indian stack, UPI, etc. India is maturing fintech ecosystem with the people's interest in digital payments and towards the financial sector. Currently, India is leading in this sector and enhancing the fintech industries. According to a recent report by Statista, the biggest fintech segment, digital payments, will continue in touching the projected $153 billion transaction value by 2023 compared to $133 billion in 2022. The Forbes recent report says 5 companies to watch in 2023 in India's fintech sector. Those are M-Swipe, Axio, Razorpay, Zell and Lendrop. So guys, we hope that you have understood this video. If you like this video, please like it and comment your views. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel Finbuzz Learning.